Hey, happy Friday, everybody. Shaun coming at you from high level. So hopefully all of you have been using Ask AI. If you haven't seen it yet, it is amazing. I cannot describe all the things it does, but sometimes when something can do almost anything, it's easier if maybe you get some examples first. And that is exactly what we're talking about today. Ask AI templates. That's right. Ask AI now includes ready-made guided templates that walk you through common business tasks step by step, instead of figuring out every click for yourself or how to do everything yourself. This is the kind of thing I love. Myself, these templates are organized by category, respect your sub account versus agency context, and only appear when your user roles have the right permission. So, AKA, they only show the right ones at the right time for the right people. So that way people don't get confused. But here's what we got: guided templates crush for business, 90 plus templates covering everyday workflows, smarter organization. Templates are grouped together in categories, context aware scoping. So, like I said, you only see the ones that I should if I'm a user or if I'm an agency, admin, et cetera, et cetera. Permission aware visibility, same deal. So, obviously, you know what? This just makes your life so much easier when you're trying to do stuff. So if you go in, you can see there's right here templates, all communication, CRM, etc. But like if you look at the first one here, purchase for a phone number and complete the regulatory requirements if needed. It's going to walk you through the whole 9 yards of purchasing that, and based on country requirements, all of that stuff, it's going to help you get the regulatory bundles done, all of that. So huge, huge, huge props to the team for making this easier. Just giving you all these different ways to get through Ask AI or help it get you started in the right direction. So when you get a chance, go check it out. On that note, I hope you're having an amazing Friday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.